normally what I would do, I would take a spice and I would just put a cover over it. Because I can't put it on again.
Oh, that's raw. Okay.
Yeah. This is just
browned already, but
just a simple layer, and so you just cover all the surface.
oh. Okay.
Okay, you do that with all 3 spices.
Well, I got that same size pan too, so.
It really works good in these,
Okay.
what I call Dutch ovens. But
Italian. Okay, but, oh, okay.
Same
so you
thing.
do this, oh, okay.
All
All
right.
3 of them.
all 3 of them get the same amount. And this one, we're probably going to eat a half because it's bigger. Just throw that in there. We're just going to put some mustard in.
Cook her down.
Then you mix it all up and with your hands, of course, is much better than a spoon. Then you cook it for an hour on medium.
Medium 1 hour.
And this is what you come up with. Only it's going to be warm and you won't see all the grease all like that. But anyway.
And so do you stir, or you just keep it on there?
What?
Do you stir in that hour, or do you?
Yes, you keep wanting to serve it, but do it on medium. It's going to splatter, and your house is going to smell like Frosties for days. But once you get to this point right here, you can see the onions in there. Put it on low, simmer it for 4, 5, 6 hours, however long it takes to get your onions clear. So you cannot tell there's an onion in there.
Okay. Not crock pot, actually on the stove for 6 hours.
Roasters don't work.
Okay.
Crock pot doesn't work.
Okay.
And to be honest with you, I think a gas stove works better.
Uh-huh.
But when you get done, if it sees like a lot of grease, siphon some off, but you want some in there. That's just to make it. If it's too dry, add a little water and stir it up, and then you're going to put about a cup, 3/4 to a cup of cornflake crumbs in there to mix it to the consistency that you want it to be.